Hi there and welcome back. I promised you a few weeks ago, I believe, a little bit more detail on how to do a really good lead magnet, or what we call a first date or lead capture for your business. And we just workshopped some here for some of our members. So I thought this would be a great time to share some of these examples with you. Now, why you would want a lead magnet, and especially on your website, but you can use it anywhere in your marketing materials, is so that you can get people, prospects, into your own ecosystem, into your own funnels, so you can then nurture them. And a lot of people are doing them, but not very well. So I'm going to give you here 4 quick things to consider when creating a lead magnet. The first one is to be really specific with the title, and we have found that this has really made a huge difference for our members here in the Clever Bunch when they have a bit more of a general title. Like, I'll give you some examples. It doesn't work very well. People don't want it. When they change the more general title to something very specific, people will want it. So I'll give you some examples here of specific titles, and then I'll see if I can come up with a general one. So some specific ones here. This was for an HR business, actually a recruitment agency. The top 10 strategies to help attract better quality talent. And a more general one, which wouldn't work, is how to hire better people. It's too general. You want it to be more specific. So the top 10 strategies that will help you attract. Another one would be the top 10 and it doesn't have to be 10, by the way, the number doesn't matter. The top 10 interview questions you must ask to hire the best talent. Again, it's very specific. Words like must and the top, the best. Another one, example here from one of our members was my dog is barking in the background. The 5 things you must know to run the most successful awards ceremony. And another example would be download, and this is a very specific, this works very well for e-commerce websites, for product businesses especially. Download a $20 voucher towards your first purchase. Now, they work really well, those kinds of opt-ins. The second point, which actually leads me into the last point that is made about the voucher, what you want to do, and again, we've seen huge differences for our members here, is that instead of saying receive 5% or 10% off your first purchase, you will usually get a higher percentage of people opting in if you make it a specific dollar amount. So rather than saying 5%, you say download a $20 voucher or $5, maybe 5 is a bit too small, $10, $20, $50 voucher for your first purchase. You can then add a minimum amount. So if you want to give away 10% and you say download a $20 voucher, you might have a little conditions that say minimum purchase amount is $200, which then would be 10%. Number 3, exit pop-ups work really well. Exit pop-ups are those pop-ups when you leave a website, just before the website goes away, a pop-up will come up to ask again, hey, would you like to download a $20 voucher? And some people find them annoying, but whether you find them annoying or not, they work really, really well. So definitely use those. And last one here, number 4, of course, all this stuff needs to be automated. And I've spoken about this before. Automation, we use a system called Untitled. We'll add the link here for you too. And you're welcome to talk to one of our representatives. We have a partnership with them. There are other systems too, systems like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign is really good too. Infusionsoft is a little bit big for a lot of businesses. Untitled is just a really sort of middle ground, great, innovative system, and the team behind it is amazing. So that's it. Those are the 4 quick tips when it comes to generating a really good lead magnet. If you would love more information like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You're also welcome to come to any of our workshops that we run. Go to basicfinance.com and you can find out more how to join our workshops. And thanks again for being here. And thank you also if you want to share this with anyone else. It means a lot. It really does. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.